Hi, okay, welcome to session 10. So we're going to be looking at substitution, an area of algebra in this session. Obviously, before that, we have our lovely recap. This should be feeling easier now. If you've been given it 100% every single session, this should now start to be feeling very natural. Hopefully it is, okay? It's quite big as well now, isn't it? So take your time, have a go at all those questions, and then hit play when you're ready. Okay, here are your answers. All right, probably sensible to just pause and take a minute to mark all of that. Okay, so I don't think there are too many surprises. Certainly everything that we've done before. We've got that ringing situation there. So hopefully you remembered that from the last session really well. All right, let's just crack on. So we are looking at substitution. Substitution, as I said, is an area of algebra. So we need to think about our algebra and what our current knowledge might be on that. So if I was to give you this, that is referred to as a term, which goes into making up expressions. But what actually is that? When I look at 3a, I might know that it means 3 times a. But again, I come back to that question, well, what is that? And it is a number, I don't know. That is what algebra is. It doesn't matter how complicated my expressions start to appear. Okay, I could have 3a plus 10. I could have a squared. I could bring in another letter, 3a plus 4b. Every single one of these expressions or terms, they are just numbers I don't know. So I'll give you an example of what I mean. If a was given to me, if I was told that a was 2, I wouldn't actually need 3a anymore because I know what a is. I know a is 2. So I can just put that 2 where the a is, and I can get a number. So this 3a, this number I don't know, remains a number I don't know until someone very kindly comes along and goes, oh, by the way, a is 2. Then you can just pop it in there and get a value. And obviously that value can change depending on the story, the circumstance of the maths that we're doing, so on and so forth. But that is basically, in a nutshell, what substitution is. Substitution is taking a number that you've been given and popping it into the expression that you've been given. So let's actually see what all of that looks like. So I am going to tell you that f is equal to 4. So with expressions, lots of different letters are used. So we're going to do the same so that we're not just constantly seeing a or x, all right, which are my go-tos, aren't they? So if f is equal to 4 and I'm being asked to find or work out or evaluate, there's lots of language that could be used. It all means the same thing. If I'm asked to find 3f minus 11, all I'm actually being asked to do is change that f into the number that I've been given. I've been told f is equal to 4. So I'm going to be doing 3. Now, because I'm about to put a number in, I need to show the times sign that is invisible. Remember, when a number and a letter is squashed together, it means times. So that meaning of times I'm now showing clearly. And then I've got that minus 11 on the end. Now, look at what we've got. We've got 2 operations. So I need to be thinking about my bidmus as well. Okay, so I've got a times and a take, times and a take. The timesing is going to be done first. 3 times 4 is 12, and then 12 take 11 is 1. So my final answer is 1. All right, that is today's session. All right, let's do one. Now, if you're feeling ready, you're going to have a go at this. I want you to find 3m, minus 4. There you go. I want you to find 3m minus 4. Hit pause and press play when you're ready. If you want another walk through, that's fine. Okay, so this means 3 times m minus 4. So this is just another way of doing it. Just show everything and then put the value in. I know that my m is equal to 9. So at this stage, I can replace that m with 9. Then I must consider the fact that I've got 2 operations. I can see a times and a take, times and a take. So I'm going to do this bit first. So 3 times 9 is 27. Take away 4, and you've got 23. And if you got that right, really well done. Now, you almost don't need bidness here. We are literally working our way along, but it's just because of the way that the expression's been given to us that it works out like that. I wouldn't not want to be considering my bidness just in case, okay? Just in case. All right, so let's do another one. Now, it's much more common to have 2 letters. I was just going to dive straight into a 2-lettered question, but there might have been some of you that weren't brave enough to do the last have a go. So I might just do another one quickly. So we've got x equals 4. I want you to find 2x plus 7. So everyone is going to pause and have a go at that one. Okay, so I've got 2 times x plus 7. My x is 4, so I've got 2 times 4 plus 7. Bidmus is going to tell me to multiply first and then subtract. So we've got 2 times 4 is 8 plus 7. Sorry, subtract. I mean add, don't I? Because that's what we're doing. I'm going to correct that so that it doesn't stay on the screen. Okay, so it's multiply and then add. So we've got 8 plus 7, and 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 is our answer there. Okay, let's get into when we have got 2 letters. So W equals 7, Z equals 8. And I want you to find for me 4W plus Z. Hit pause, press play when you're ready. Okay, so we've got 4 times the W plus Z. The W is 7, the Z is 8. Thinking about my bidmus, again, it's not overly essential because they're already in the right order. I've got my times and my add. So 4 times 7 is 28, and 28 plus 8 is 36. And if you got that right, great, really, really well done. Okay, let's do another one with that combination of numbers. We'll do 2W plus 2Z. Hit pause, press play when you're ready. Okay, so 2 times 7 plus 2 times 8. 2 7s are 14, and 2 8s are 16, and then we add those. Okay, so bidmus was actually really, really important in that question, because obviously I have to multiply first, and there were 2 multiplications. So hopefully you saw that yourself and didn't go wrong. All right, let's do another one. We're going to do W squared plus Z. So hit pause and press play when you're ready. Okay, so this is going to give me 7 squared plus 8. Okay, I'm going to do my power first for bidmus. So that's going to give me 49. And then 49 plus 8 is going to give me 57. Okay, let's do one more. And I think we'll change the numbers. So we've got a bit of variety going on. Let's say A is equal to 6 and H is equal to 5. I would like you to find, work out, evaluate, okay, 3A minus 5H. So hit pause and press play when you're ready. Okay, so this is 3 times A minus 5 times H. Using my bidmus, I'm going to be doing that multiplying first, aren't I? So let's get the numbers in. I've got 3 times 6, take 5 times 5. 3 6s are 18, 5 5s are 25, and 18 take away 25 is minus 7. Don't change the position. Really, really important that we keep things where they are. Okay, you probably could just get on now and practice this. So here's a selection of questions for you. So just crack through those, do your best. Flip, as always, backwards and forwards. Don't do all 10 in one go. The answers will follow, and I will see you next time.